If you're even thinking about trying SuperDeck AI, here are 7 crucial things you need to know. Because this just released AI software is making waves for a reason. And if you stick around, I'll tell you why this might be the best AI tool to launch this year, and also where it might fall short. And yes, SuperDeck AI is completely free to try right now from the first link below. No credit card, no fluff. So you can test everything for yourself while it's still new and under the radar. Now here's what most people miss about SuperDeck. First, it's not just another presentation tool. SuperDeck AI uses generative AI to actually build and design slide decks based on your prompt. I gave it a one-liner brief and got back a polished brand-ready deck. Titles, body text, images, transitions, done in under 60 seconds. This thing doesn't just save time, it creates leverage. Second, it integrates with tools like Google Slides, Canva, and PowerPoint with one-click export. That's huge if you already have a workflow and don't want to reinvent the wheel. Plus, it maintains formatting surprisingly well. Third, it's context-aware. That means if you tell it your audience is investors, teachers, or startup clients, it adjusts the language, tone, and design automatically. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this is rare even in higher-end software. Now, this part is big. SuperDeck AI has a team mode. You can collaborate in real time, kind of like Google Docs for presentations. For agencies, freelancers, or marketing teams, that alone makes it worth testing. Fifth, it learns, not in a scary way, but in a way that remembers your brand colors, preferred structure, and tone over time. So the more you use it, the better the results get. But let's talk about the flip side. Right now, customization can be a bit limiting for power users. If you're someone who loves to tweak every detail, you might find yourself jumping back into your usual slide tool for the finishing touches. Also, while SuperDeck AI works brilliantly for business decks, it's not yet ideal for things like lesson plans or niche technical reports, but updates are coming fast. The bottom line, SuperDeck AI is one of the most exciting AI presentation tools I've seen in a long time. If you make decks regularly, for pitching, teaching, content, or client work, this will cut your prep time by hours. Again, you can try SuperDeck AI completely free from the first link in the description. And if you want to know which other AI tools are worth your time, I've included my personal shortlist after testing thousands of tools right below. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you'd use SuperDeck AI for.